So apparently we're calling this episode Two Idiots with a Wrench.
I like it.
I like it too.
Yeah, what's this back bumper too? Give me your bumpers, dude.
No, you're not doing that. Your blazer sucks. Anyway.
We're a sweetheart. Just because she only goes 50 doesn't mean she's a pile of shit.
Yes, it does. Anyway, we are 5-speed swapping this. Very, very mint. Very clean. 2002, I think. 2002. S10. Yeah. So the 4L60 blew up. It blew up completely. It has this fancy flatbed on it. Custom.
The taillights.
Tail lights. Oh. Okay. What we got going on here? It actually has the factory skid plate on it. That's kind of interesting.
Wow.
Yeah, it does not look like this thing's ever been touched. Huh, that's interesting for a Blazer. Usually by this mileage, at least I've had a tranny in it once.
It's an S10.
It's because you were talking about your Blazer. Don't judge me. But yeah, so we're 5-speed swapping at NV35. All new parts. We're gonna lay them out here shortly, but first we are going to get the 4L60 out. All right, the first step, we had to take the skid plate off. We worked together because a bunch of the bolts were rusty and rounded. But once we got that apart, we split up. Ricky started working on the drive shaft. I started taking the tranny cross member out. Bolts were rusty, but nothing too crazy. All in all, honestly, like the bolts came out pretty well. I just jacked the tranny up to slide it all apart. Once we got that apart, we had to start working on the T-case. Ricky kind of struggled a little with the drive shaft because he didn't realize I jacked the whole transmission up. But once he realized that, we got it right out and then moved on to the next bit. All right, so we've pulled the rear drive shaft. He's pulling the front drive shaft. We pulled the tranny mount. This is definitely a Pennsylvania car, very, very rusty. And we just drained the T-case. So far, the T-case had maybe a cup of fluid, maybe.
A cup's a little over exaggerating.
Yeah, I don't even know if it had a cup. But that's what we're working on next, getting the T-case out after he gets the drive shaft. Okay, after he hurt me, we got the T-case out.
Oh, dude, my Air Maxes are gonna be squeaking for fucking days now.
There's no top bolt on the S10 stuff. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, there's your top bolt. It's on the bottom.
So next bet, we're going to drain the transmission, which since this tranny's junk, we're just going to drill a hole in it.
Big old fucking hole in it.
No. I always use a self-tapper.
The biggest hole we can drill.
Use a self-tapper. I drill it with the self-tapper, and then when we're done, we put the self-tapper back in and it stops leaking.
I'm gonna put a big ass hole in it.
Oh my God, dude, you hurt my wrist.
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry.
I didn't do it on purpose.
And then after that, we gotta pull the starter, torque converter bolts, and then bell housing bolts, and then the 4L60 is out. So we started working getting the bell housing bolts out. I had to use little boy's room, so Ricky was attempting it and trying to go through the wheel well. So when I got back, I scolded him so many times, and then we took the truck up and did it properly. The only bolt that was really a struggle was the driver's side top one. The heat shield was in the way, but just moving out of the way got it pretty easily. And then once we got that all situated, Ricky started cutting the tranny lines because they're absolutely garbage anymore, and started unbolting the starter. After that, we pretty much did the torque converter bolts and got the tranny out. my GoPro died. I need more batteries. I just ordered them, so we'll have that fixed the next couple of days. But honestly, the tranny didn't give us any real trouble. It was kind of corroded to the motor, so we had to kind of pry it off the motor. But other than that, it went smoothly. So sorry that this video is going to cut all that out, and the next part is going to have no transmission. All right, we're cutting the hole. What are we cutting the hole for, Ricky?
Transmission for
Why?
For the shifter.
Why is it getting a shifter?
Because it's dog. Don't you know?
This is supposed to be kid friendly.
They're getting a beeping 5-speed.
Bleep. Gotta bleep yourself.
Alright.
Alright, cutting a hole.
Give me a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Oh, you actually already cut the hole. Alright. You guys will be able to see the hole fall out, I think.
They're gonna see it fall out because they didn't cut the whole way.
Oh man.
But you'll see it bend out. Maybe.
Oh.
Oh, I did cut it the whole way.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
See? And that's why you keep a fire extinguisher. You see that? I burned it. You see the fire extinguisher? Always on hand, because we're always ready. My name's Ricky, and I have no clue what I'm doing.
Just an idiot with a wrench. Alright. Next step is going to be the pedal and the hole in the shifter carpet. Alright. We are working on removing some stuff to get to the damn firewall. Couldn't think of what we were getting to there for a second. It's like we got a couple 10 millimeters. Things will not get easier, Ricky. Things will get harder. Need a longer Oh wow, there's multiple screws holding this thing on. There's 4 screws holding the bracket on and 4 screws holding it to the bracket. Now the slide is zip tied. Like we got the customer coming to pick up the cobalt. Alright, we got the hole cut. We're going to test fit it to see if it fits. Alright, master is in. It was not easy, because apparently this master cylinder sucks. Sucks really bad. The clamp kept spinning on it, but it's in. What are you working on in there?
I said, I want to know why Eric has a whole box of GRKs in here. That fucker doesn't work on decks. It's a whole box of deck screws.
Yeah, Eric. You're gonna see this video at some point. Why do you have all these screws in there?
Yeah, why you got a whole box of GRK screws?
What the hell, man?
What the hell?
Are you putting it back together?
Yeah, I'm putting it back.
Oh, you might as well wait a second. Let's get the pedal in. Or can you get to all of it? Don't fuck me.
Fuck myself.
You gotta take it out? Okay. The pedal. This thing's supposed to just clip in. It, spring loaded. Spring loaded. And then we have to hook up the little arm from the master. Well, you know what, we'll do that last. We'll hook that arm up dead last. That way we don't accidentally push it. And, cause it's all blood already.
Yeah.
So,
Fuck something.
well, it'll just unbleed itself.
You don't have to sit here and bleed it.
Yeah, the goal would be to not bleed it any more than we have to. I'm not 100% saying that we're not gonna bleed it. I don't trust the
Anything
fact.
coming from GM?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's not from GM. It's from like Precision or whatever. Well, which is all China.
It's all China. Everything is China.
This is true.
And China put these nuts in your mouth. God damn it. How many screws they got holding this thing together? I was fired.
You act like there's a chicken duck waiting for us.
There is a chicken duck woman waiting for us. She's in the bushes, dog.
Bushes are close.
Your hair looks extremely gray on camera.
Oh, that's fucked up, bro. I would never say that to you.
You couldn't. My hair's not gray.
It's because you're like 20 years younger than me.
10, all right? You're not that old.
You're not married.
Yeah, yeah, that's the fucking thing. I'm not married. I hope your wife sees this video.
Yeah. She doesn't like any of my fucking stuff anyway.
So it's right there. We'll never see it.
They'll never know.
Oh, they'll know. I thought we were doing the meme.
Yeah, I just turned the angle of this camera completely fuckery.
Ow! Oh, I smashed my finger.
What'd you go do that for?
I'm getting this clutch in with just the feel of my soul.
This is the face of a very, very big struggle bus.
I'm not really struggling too bad, but just trying to find the hole without looking at
They
them.
are way up there.
Oh, I know. I'm like right next to them.
Spit on them, you can find them faster.
That's what they say. Do I have one of them in, I think? I think I have one of them
Oh, there's one.
in. Oh, they're both in? I already had the one in.
Oh,
Pedal.
Oh, pedals in.
Look, Eric, we got 3 pedals.
It's like your truck's becoming a 5-speed or something.
Dude.
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 All those screws on the floor.
Look at the 3 pedals. You would almost think.
Oh, there's only 2 in there. It's hiding behind over there. Oh, it's just super dirty. That's
Yeah,
why.
there's 2 really clean new ones and the dirty ones. Oh, all right, see, that's how you do it. All right, you're rehired.
All right, cool.
Shit. All right, so day one, we got, what do we do today, Ricky? We got transmission out. We got the new flywheel installed with the new bearing. And then got the hole cut in the floor.
With one bolt?
Well, yeah. Yeah, so I accidentally ordered one bolt because the picture showed 6, but it was only for 1. So I have those coming from GM in the morning. That's my bad. We got the pedal in, floor cut. We got the master cylinder in, pre-bled. Tomorrow we install the tranny and drive it.